It doesn't appear to get any worse than this for J. Israel. Israel, who has been incarcerated in police custody since Tuesday, is desperately seeking financial support from the public for his legal fees in his just commenced court proceedings. He made the appeal through his official social media page on Saturday afternoon, saying, "A date has been set. We are now preparing a legal team to support him with all the cases being brought forward. If you would like to support J. Israel during this trying time, kindly reach out to us on our WhatsApp number. Your support will be well appreciated." Unquote. J, who will reappear in court next week, still maintains that his enemies wish to see him humiliated and embarrassed. The people behind these arrests are determined, well-funded, and organized. The exposés that J did really opened the eyes of many, and his enemies have collaborated to make sure he is destroyed and humiliated. Our statement is not to paint J. Israel as a saint. J continues to be the first one to admit when he is wrong, a trait that all the other so-called men of God don't pose, as they all shout innocence despite unquestionable evidence of their wrongdoing. We would like it on record that our organization, as well as J. Israel himself, respect the law and also believe in the South African justice system. In another development, the Department of Home Affairs is investigating multiple passports and fake visa permits in possession of J. Israel. Section 29 of the Immigration Act of South Africa does not only make it a criminal offense to be in possession of a fraudulent visa or permit, it goes on to automatically assign the prohibited person's status, often without regard to the circumstances that led to the person being in possession of such fraudulent documents. The Department of Home Affairs was tipped off by the Douglasdale Police of J. Israel's multiple passports and fraudulent visas, making him illegal under the Immigration Act of South Africa. J. was denied bail on Thursday, as the state say he is a flight risk as an illegal immigrant in the Republic. The department further says it will pursue this matter to the letter and hand down justice for the disrespect shown to the South African law by J. Israel, Jacob Dube, who ironically pressured Pastor Alf Lukau to flee South Africa.
Wherever he is, I want him to know right now, I want him to know that he has his real cases that are waiting for him here in South Africa. And I'm not going to remain quiet. I'm not going to remain silent. I know that you have the battle line has been drawn. Ever since I started testifying at the CRL Commission, ever since I started testifying at the CRL Commission, all hell broke loose, because now Alf Lukau saw that now this thing is actually, going to the next level.
And celebrated the demise of Prophet Bushiri's undignified escape from South African authorities is now on the brink of extinction.
You still see people say, "Oh no, hey Papa, we are standing with Papa." Foolish people. Let these charlatans be sent to prison. That is where they belong. I pray that when he's going for this case, the case or the court case, I pray that at the end of the investigation, they arrest this charlatan and send him to prison.